Father's Day to all the amazing fathers all over the world. Jeez, I love you guys. We appreciate you guys. We value you guys. Oh my goodness. I am almost out of breath with excitement. Oh my goodness. From your girl, fabulous Annie, and my mini-me. Oh my goodness. We are bringing you guys breakfast straight from Kansas City, Missouri, America, to all over the world. Today, I am going to be making special breakfast taught to me by my dad. Yeah, I haven't done it before. This is a first for me, so I don't know how it's gonna come out. But I'm gonna try to follow all the instructions and everything and show you guys how to make a simple breakfast. If you are on a diet, this is perfect for you. And this is strange to me. I remember the first time I went over to my brother's house and he was asking me, he was like, do you want quiche or do you want kush? And I was like, Sean, what is that? You know I don't eat all the seeds. I don't know what this is all about. So this is like a sophisticated kind of breakfast, you know, strange, but it's very healthy. It's full of protein. It's gonna be full of sausage. You see sausage? This is it. Smoked sausage. It has vegetables. This is bell pepper and this is red pepper. It has onions in it. I'm adding extra. I'm gonna add tomatoes to it. And then guess what else? It has spinach. Yeah, so it's a simple, nice breakfast to make for your family. It's healthy and everything. And then you can eat it with any kind of, any kind of snack. We have muffins over there and we have mackerel all the way from Carlos, Kurt, my brother. Love you, baby. Happy Father's Day to you. And then also don't forget my wonderful husband, Steve Owens. Happy Father's Day to him too. So I'm going to show you guys how to make this breakfast. Also, I forgot, the major thing also is eggs. Look at it. It is eggs. And also we have heavy whipping cream. And then also, you're going to also add shredded cheese. Woo! Everything you can buy from the store, you know, your shopping store and everything. So to begin with, I don't really know how it begins, but I think I'm going to start with eggs. So this is new. So we're going to use 8 eggs. But if you have a family, you know, a larger family, you can use more. So I'm going to use 12 eggs for ours because I have a big family. So this is 12 eggs. So we're going to count. Like all my shows, I always say it's a show for kids, you know, help them count. So we're going to count. This is 1. Guess what? 2. 3. I'm always sweating, guys. You're used to me, you know. This is 1. 3. 4. 5. 5. Oh my goodness. 6. 7. Oh my goodness. What else again? I'm always sweating. 7, guys. And then what else? 8. So you can, the recipe says use 8, you know, but I'm going to use more, so give me more.
Because we have a bigger family.
Yeah, we have a bigger family because we want everybody to be satisfied. Yeah, I'm going to add it up, for real. So look at it. 9. 10. 11. Oh my goodness, we're getting closer, guys. What's next after 11? 12. No, we're gonna use only 12. Okay, guys, guess what? We have this. Get me a whisker. So we're gonna whisk this up. Yeah, we're gonna whisk this up. And then after that one, yeah, we're gonna whisk it up. And then I start adding all our ingredients in it. Guess what else? The complete recipe is gonna be on Fabulous Annie show on YouTube. So check it out, and then you get your complete recipe. This is a simple mixture. Oh my goodness, my sweat is getting into my eyes. I'm gonna start having. Oh my goodness, yeah. So you mix it very well. Oh my goodness, let me clean the eyes. Oh Lord, it burns. Oh God, I'm working. So this is it. So next, we're gonna add some color food. My sweat is disturbing my eyes and my makeup. We're gonna add some. This is different kinds of pepper because you know I like color in my food. So we have different kind of pepper in here. We have the green ones and we have the red ones. So this is it. We're gonna add this gently. You know, you can pour it all in there, you know, if you want to. So this is it. We're gonna add this to it. Look at how colorful this mixture is. Oh my goodness! Look at how colorful it is. Oh yeah, I need this. Oh my goodness! I should hang it in my face. I got me fun, wasn't it? Oh, wasn't it? Yeah. Yeah. So guess what else again? We're gonna add onions. The recipe doesn't say anything about onions, but you know me, I always have to add extra to my stuff. So we're gonna add onions to it, you know. It's just like a quarter. Yeah, I love my food so colorful, you know. Yeah, so I love it so oh God, my son is telling me that he is hungry or something. Yeah. Oh Lord Jesus. Yeah. What's wrong?
You guys can buy this.
Yeah. What's wrong? Yeah, so then guess what else we're going to add to this whole thing? We're going to add tomatoes to it, you know, adding more colors to it. Yeah, and then also we're going to add our sausage. Yeah, we're going to add our sausage to this mixture. So this sausage is just like a pack of sausage, you know, smoked sausage. That's what it is, pack of smoked sausage. Yeah, we're going to add it to it. Yeah, and then yeah, thank you, babe. Thank you, babe. So you see how colorful the mixture is? Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my goodness. Yeah. The sausage is cooked in it. And then guess what else? We're gonna add spinach to this. Yeah. Girls, I have never seen this. Guys, I've never seen this being made. I am just assuming this is the steps. but this is the recipe. But I didn't see the things follow each other, you know. So this is our first time making this together. So we're gonna also add what they call it, 1.5 cups of heavy cream.
When you say a man's love from his stomach.
Yeah, and the way to a man's heart is through his stomach. So that's what we're doing. So we're gonna add one.
I saw this before.
Yeah, and then 1/2 cup of cream to this mixture. Yeah, it's gonna taste so delicious, I'm telling you guys. And then guess what else? We're gonna add cheese to it. I bet you can buy different kind of cheese that you like, you know. So we're gonna, yeah. So this is shredded cheese. That's what this is, shredded cheese. My cheddar, you know. So we're gonna add what they call it, like maybe half of the bag to it first. You know, this is amazing, isn't it? I mean, this is a complete meal, you know, that you have here. Look at the color, the process, and everything. It's gorgeous. You know what I'm saying? And then guess what else? You can add. For me, the recipe doesn't really say that, but you know how I do add a lot of stuff. I'm gonna add me some garlic salt to it, some garlic powder actually, and then also a little bit of parsley. I'm gonna add a little bit of parsley to it. You know, that's what I'm gonna do. So there's a bit of parsley to it, and then we're gonna add some salt. Yeah. So right here. So we're gonna add some salt to this. You know, and then I'll say about Jesus. We're out of salt. Can you believe that? But we have what do you call it? We have let me get some other kind of salt. I can find it in this right. Okay, cool. Yeah, oh my goodness. It looks so good. So we're gonna use seasoning salt because I'm out of salt. So we're gonna use seasoning salt for this. Yeah. So you add salt to it. I would say probably like 1.5 teaspoons, a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of salt. Because this is a whole complete mixture here. So, you know, this is a lot of mixture here. So you want it to be tasty. You know what I'm saying? So you're gonna add it and mix it all together, you know, very well. Look at it, it's so nice, you know. I love the color of food. Like my stomach is already telling me I'm ready to eat. Is your stomach telling you you're ready to eat yet? Yeah, so this is what we're making today is called quiche. But it's Fabulous Annie's style of quiche, you understand? So it might not be like exactly like the recipe says it is, but it is quiche and it's gonna come out like that. It's a healthy meal that even if you're on a diet, you can make it and eat it, and you know it's low on calories because it has a lot of vegetables.
Want some vegetables.
Yeah, it's so full of vegetables, you know what I'm saying? So don't forget what we have in here already. We started off with 12 eggs, guys. We put 12 eggs in it, and then we added in random order. We added bell pepper to it, you know, different kinds of bell pepper just because of I love color. We added onions to it. We added tomatoes to it, and then we added sausage. Do you understand that? We added sausage to it, but you don't have to fry the sausage. Just get the smoked sausage and add it to it, you know. And then also we added spinach. You understand? Like a whole bag of spinach. You know what I'm saying? So a bag of spinach, you know, to it. And then we added cream, you know, heavy whipping cream, you know, a cup and a half to it. And then we added mild cheese to it. So this is the mixture. So now we're gonna put it in the oven. It's a very quick food, you know. The prep is very quick, but the cooking takes longer. So guess what we're gonna do next? You can have, I'm gonna use this it's like a cooking oil. Yeah, so we're gonna use it to spray. No, wait, we're gonna use this one. Come on this side. So we're gonna use it and spray. Let me hold on. So we're gonna spray this pan and everything. Yeah. So we're gonna spray the pan. Yeah. With it so that it doesn't. I guess so just not allow it stick to the pan and everything. Yeah. So if you have like anything like a butter spray, you use a butter spray. I am using olive oil cooking spray. That's what I'm using right now. So this is what we're gonna do. And then next thing, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get like a spoon, and then we're gonna pour it in to this pan. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna pour it in the pan. Yeah. So you see how gorgeous this looks already? Look at how gorgeous it is. Like you have a whole complete meal. Yeah, I'm telling you guys, for real. Yeah, you can make muffins, you can make different kind of things. It has your meat in it. And don't forget also, you can use turkey. Do you understand? You can use turkey, you can use bacon bits to it. You can add all kind of meat in it. I mean, oxtail, smoke. Exactly. Customize it to you guys. Yeah. So this is what it is. So you can customize it to yourself. It's going to shrink afterwards, you know, guys. So you see what I'm saying? It looks so gorgeous. Do you understand? It's gonna harden and everything. I don't really like the turkey one of it, you know. I prefer like the real meat, the smoke. What is this thing called again? The smoke sausage. I prefer the smoked sausage. You know, but you can add turkey to it to be lower on calories. And then guess what I'm gonna add to it? You know my recipe. I'm gonna add some bacon to it. This bacon is already cooked, guys. So it's already fried. So we're gonna add some bacon to it and stuff to make it like, you know, more appetizing or whatever, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm saying. You can add everything you want to add to it. And then guys, you can eat this with whatever you want to eat. You know, you want to eat it with fruits, you know, would be awesome. You can eat it with muffins, you can eat it with macarons and everything. So, yeah, and then have tea. So, when this thing, we're going to put this in the oven for about 350 degrees for 45 minutes. So in 45 minutes, guess what? It will be Mama! Come on, Alexa, let's go. We'll repeat the song.
Sounds like you're asking about let's go.
Oh no, Alexa, I said let's go.
What? I'm a lady.
So don't.
You're asking about let's go.
Alexa, no.
What? I'm a lady.
Oh my God.
Let's Go is a song written with
Oh my goodness, Alexa. But don't worry, guys. I just wanted to wish you all amazing dads out there. Amazing Father's Day. You know, that's what I wanted to do. Lower the volume, listen. You know that? So that's what we are making breakfast for you guys today. Do you know what understand? One thing I wanted to say also is that even though you are not biologically giving birth to a child, as long as you're taking care of a child, you are caring for a child, you are loving on a child, you are a father, you are a dad. Be proud of yourself. You know, one thing else I wanted to say something else again. To women out there who probably have problem with their husbands or their ex-husbands, ex-boyfriend or whatever, and they're raising their kids, you know, Please allow your kids to socialize with their dad. It is important, it is necessary for us as kids to have a relationship with our dads. You understand? Dads are important. If God wanted to make the world only moms, He would have made moms to just have kids without dad. But kids, we need our dad. Please, whatever your disagreement with the dad, do not allow it to affect the child, because that's why the society sometimes will be full of criminals, people who have low self-esteem, people who have ashamed of themselves and everything. Do you understand what I'm saying? So kids need their dad. You know, there is no, in my opinion, deadbeat dad. You know, there is none. You know, it's difficult with fathers. You know, we mothers, we carry our kids in our womb. We talk to our kids. We nurture them for 9 months. We're close to them. This child is a child that is like on a dad, even though he's a dad, but he gets to know the child after the child is given birth to. You understand what I'm saying? So there's kind of like a delay in attachment. I'm speaking from experience. What I wanted to tell you, do not allow your child to grow up without their dad. You understand? Even though you have bitterness towards the man, allow the child, except he is in a state where you cannot allow, the child will not be safe with him. But if the child can be safe with him, please do not prevent a child from having a relationship with their father. That's my message today. You know, we need our dad. We want our dad's love. We need our dad for so many things. You understand what I'm saying? So that's my message to you.
And
You
this
know?
is called Talk the Truth.
Exactly. So love you guys always. As I said before, happy Father's Day. Is it too early for this? No. Is it